Greetings, gents. I'm Geofatboy for ShaveNation.com. You ever see in a hockey game how a player will just nonchalantly skate over and scoop the puck up on his stick like this and then just hand it to the ref? No big deal, right? I've seen it a few times and I'm like, whoa, I wish I could do that. That's pretty cool. So, you know, I've been home for a few days. I've had a cold. You might be able to tell from my nasally tone of voice right here. But when I'm home, I can't sit still. I have to keep busy. So been on the computer answering emails, Shave Nation inventory, working on that. There's always things to do there. And reading some books, and also thought I might teach myself something new. So I got my stick, got my gloves, and by the way, just a regular puck, nothing special. It's been used many times. And this stick I picked up from Play It Again Sports, and this stick was, here you go, $5.99, if you could see that. So nothing special about this stick. This is a CCM Vector Alex Ovechkin model. Play It Again Sports hockey stick, $5.99, so nothing special. I just put that little butt end on the end of it. This tape was on here. This tape was on here. I put a little bit of electrical shiny tape on here, which is not even hockey tape. Hockey tape would help, so I'm going to replace that with hockey tape when I get some. I thought it was going to take me, it could take a month, a week, a day. Wound up taking about 15 minutes, and I was able to do it several times in 15 minutes. So if you practice anything, you'll get the hang of it. Might take a little longer, but don't give up. Persevere to persevere, and you'll get it. What you want to do is grab it with the toe, pull it back, and then reverse your stick. Lay it flat, almost flat, so that the puck can ride up on the side of it. And I think it's more difficult here because the puck doesn't slide good. This is just a rubber padding here. So I think it will be much easier on the ice because you can pull it back and have room to wait for it to get there and then turn your stick and scoop under it. So here's how it went. That one popped over. There you go, see? Just a few times I was able to do it on camera. How cool is that? It took me a while to get there, but I can't wait to try it on the ice. So my next move is get my skates. Might be a little harder on skates because you have to bend out even further because you're taller on skates. But we'll find out. These couple days have not been wasted. Plus, it's crappy outside. The weather's terrible. So you got to revert to some indoor sports. All right, try this on your own. Let me know how it worked out. You hockey fans, you hockey players who've always seen that done and want to try it. Also, if there's anything, I'm up for any challenge. Put a comment down below. Let me know what you'd like to see me try to learn in a day. It might take longer than a day, it might take an hour, whatever. Comment below. I'm up for the challenge. It's not all about shaving, right? The channel is called Geofatboy's Shaving and More. So it's about shaving and a few other things, such as scooping the puck. Like that. See you next time. Oh, by the way, you want shaving supplies? Get your shave on? Visit ShaveNation.com. Thank you very much for watching. I'm Geofatboy. Have a great shave. Have a great day. Like that. Like that. Like that. Uh-oh, looks like I have a 4 o'clock shadow. Gotta go to ShaveNation.com. Have a great shave, have a great day.